Bismillah, salatu wassalam ala Rasulillah. My name is Pshtiwan. I will be with you for teaching you how we can create a DOM just like I posted on my page. For making DOM in advanced style, there are several ways to make DOM, and I want to make some tutorials about that, like truss DOM, like ball-shaped DOM, and let's say a mosque DOM. Okay, so for start, I will go to front view, and I will change my UCS to view. I can just from here to view, or I can just write down in the comments command lines. Okay, after that I want to make a circle. The diameter of as you see here, I have radius or diameter. The radius of my DOM, let's say we have 5,000, so it will be 10 meter. Double click after that, just move it a little bit. Okay, after that what I can do, I can draw two lines, or sorry, this point says to be exactly with the end of the line that we created. And after that we can change the I think this one is enough or not, it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter for now. Okay, so just click close again, select some lines here, this line, this for connections. I can use here either round section or bar. Okay, just enter, no, and from here let's say round bars, and for something like, I don't know, 80 maybe is good, or it's not enough, I don't know. Anyhow, we will change later. Even if we use hollow section, it will work, no problem. Okay, if we, let's say, hollow section, and let's say this one, 88.9 times 4 millimeters. So that's very good. If you see here, we get one part of our structure. As you see here, it's just like this. We have to put this inside, or we can just by selecting this one or selecting that one, no problem. Both of them are let's change this one. Let's select all these lines, and we change its position. On the right click, advanced properties, position, and let's see here, yeah, so it's to be in the middle. So that's very good. We create sorry, we create one of them. After that, what we have to do, we have to make connections for this and copy it later. Okay, so for this, what we have for me, so that's very good. Okay, what I have to do now, I have to change the main parallel. I want to change to main perpendicular to the main. And from the guest plate, we have edge distances, 12 users, or the rest you have they have to copy by using here. They have to copy the joint from this one or this one. Okay, what I have to do now, I want to just delete this one, because this will be a separate connection later, we will create later. After that, I will go back and change back UCS to the world, and click here. I want to select everything just without this one. Okay, after that, go to here, advanced copy, polar array. The center point is this point, and the total number, as you see, the total number and the angle between the total number and if you can total number of items and angle to fit. Okay, this is angle between items, but this is the angle to fit. So I want to select this one. The angle to fit, what I have 360, and the numbers, let's say 10, and we try preview. Is it okay for us or not? I don't know. Okay, you see, I can just modify it to something like 12. As you see now, the angle between them is 30. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Okay, Allah is the greatest. So as you see, I have this one, but hence I don't want this. Why? If I want this, I have to draw all these lines manually, but I don't want this. I don't like this. I want to make it with a program. So I will just click modify for this time, for now, and what I want to two pieces, and the angle between two feet is 30. And I say preview. For this time, why I did this for this time, I think is okay. So just let me say okay. Why I did this? Why I did this? However, I didn't use. I want to change first C to the angle to fit. Is it okay or not? After that, I have to make this one. Okay. Or if you want to another quick way, you can just click lines, because making lines is quicker than this. I want to make 3 lines, just like this. After that, change from line to pipes. Here we have rectangle hollow section, and the section that we choose, this one, I think. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to change, or we have to rotate each one by 1 angle, or another way we can use, we can just delete all these. If you don't want to want like this, we can just click this one. Okay, this UCS is going like this, but I want to UCS go to like the to the center of this dome. So just click here, from this center point to this point to this point. As you see now, we have this center point in point to the center, or this UCS point to the center. I can use this one, and again I selected this one, no problem. And what I want to advanced copy, polar array. The center point is here, and the items that I want, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's say. Okay, 5. The angle to fit is 90 degree, so 22.5. Let's say preview. It's like this, so I want to put minus here. So it's not correct. Sorry. Do you see the benefit of these lines that we created before? And this one I will delete, no problem. can just move this one to the center of this geo. Yeah, now it's okay. And what I have to do, I have to just even the decrease the length of split these two beams. Both way are work with me. Let's say by 170, and this one 100. I don't know how much. By 1,000. 600. Okay. So now it's okay. What we have to do, we have to just copy these to here, and just click here. Click here, right click, advanced joint properties. We want to change the perpendicular to the parallel. Yeah, just like this. And after that, right click, click here, right click, propagate joint. And you see it copied to this side, and again copy this one to here, also to here. Also to this side. We can just continue to the copy of the pipes, or let's say joints, or we can use propagate joint, but we have to, in this case, in case of propagate joint, we have to use for each angle. Okay, so now it's very good. And what I have to do, or what we have to do now, we can select everything, everything, even this one. But first of all, we have to change the UCS of the weld. After that, select everything, and without this one, and make copy, polar array. The center point is, we can just select this one, no problem, and 360, let's say 10, preview. This time needs more time because we have many elements that it has advanced still has to calculate them, and after that copy them with polar array. As you see, we have missing one, so just click modify. As you see, we have, and after that just copy a connection, this one, let's say, to this beam. Sorry, there's some extra beams. Anyhow, how we can solve this, we can just select everything, these lines, and right click, or sorry, not right click, overkill. We can just use overkill of AutoCAD, and this is a new tip that I didn't discuss about before. So just click OK. It will delete all overlay. As you see here, 24 overlay objects or segments are deleted. And just click here, right click, advanced joint properties, from perpendicular to the parallel, and yeah, after that again we have to copy this one to the rest of our don't worry about this one, because there is when we create this one we had to create them or copy them, or by another way, because we select every this one also. Just change the orientation of that one, and it will solve every problems that you have for these three also. Sorry, this one. And again, the last one is this. We have to change the orientation. Okay, as you see now, we could get our dome, and I think it's very nice. We can put some extra aluminum sections and put as we discussed about, we can put some extra aluminum profiles and put glasses on it. If this one is large, we can cut out this one, this between also. And this is the first one, and however I created before this joints is the same procedure. It doesn't need talk about a lot. It's the same thing. As you see here, we could get our dome, and I think is very good dome. And after everything, you can just select one line, right click, select similar, delete all the shapes that we have. Anyhow, so this is the lesson. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Thank you very much.